అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీడియా మిత్రులందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్. ఇది పింక్ ఎలిఫెంట్తో నా థర్డ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. యాక్చువల్గా లైక్ there are so many people that I've worked repeatedly with. ఇక్కడ అందరితో పని చేశాను ఆల్రెడీ కలిసి. విజయ్ మాస్టర్ కానీ, మానస అక్క, I have worked for Bench Life. Vijay Master, I have done 3 projects with you. Raju Garu, I have done Hello World with you. So yeah, there are so many people. You guys are new kada. Me iddare first time work chesina people. Sangeet and Shrinu Garu. Yeah, so I would like to thank Neha Akka for giving me the kickstart in this industry, I would say, because she is the reason that I'm here today. I started with Hello World, that was in Pink Elephant, and I'm really glad that I found such right people to work with. And yeah, as they have said in the previous speeches, I won't drag this very long, but whoever works with her, their luck just opens up, I would say, in the industry. Starting with OTT platforms, they definitely get to work in bigger productions or bigger projects. So I'm really glad that I started my journey with you, and I'm really glad that I'm here today with you again, and I hope I keep working with you in the future. Okay na? Yeah, so I just love her as a person as well. She's really inspiring. And coming to Manyam Ramesh sir, thank you for taking care of us so well and looking after everything the way that you do. So my mom just says that whenever she goes to Pink Elephant Pictures set, there's nothing to worry about, because it's such a safe space for any person to be in. So it's just like, parents aithe chala trust chestaru Pink Elephant ante. So that is something I would like to thank you for, because you guys have made it possible.